Alright, we got a little, we picked this up at Walmart today. It's a Hart brand. It's like a little tool carrier. Go ahead and open it. I'll just show you real quick like. And as you can see, the neat fits in there.
It'll go, you can put it in the back seat or back of any car.
Yeah.
That way if you get to some place and you got to transport it around, you can because you got wheels.
And it's got...
And if you get someplace and it's raining, the machine's covered up.
It's got some little compartments where you can put all the accessories.
The machine's covered so you don't get rain on it if you got to go like in and out of a home or a business. But if you have to go to a business, let's say you got to walk 100 feet or 200 feet to where your cleaning's at, you just you're set.
And it works pretty good. So.
But it'll go in the back of our smart car, which is the tiniest car in the country. So it'll go in the back of your car whenever you're driving. It'll go in your back seat or it'll go in your trunk.
It's almost lunch. It's almost lunchtime.
Oh yes.
So we're going to end right there. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys could find something like this useful.